how to add auto roles onto your Discord server. So on this tutorial, I'll be using CoralBot to make this happen. So first off, let's make sure you have the appropriate roles to auto role when a new member joins in. So on this example, I'm just going to use test server settings, and roles. And for this, I'm just going to use members as the auto role that'll be given to new users when they join in. Once you have the roles verified or you make sure that the roles exist, let's just go onto the manage dashboard. Let's go onto this server, my server with the one I want to auto role. And from there, go onto the moderation tab right there and just select on auto roles. Here I already auto rolled members, but we can delete that if you want. Here, let's just pick the roles we want to auto roll. I'm just going to pick members. There's some sticky roles as well that you can mess with as well. This is a blacklist option if you want. If you want to delete the role, just press that and then you can pick another role, maybe confirmed or admins, birthdays, moderators, but typically you won't do that. New members won't be a moderator straight away, of course. So let's just do members and then make sure to save as well. Here you can see in the recent actions as well, executed by CoralBot, a handy feature that can let you track the moderation changed as well. But anyways, once you've done with that, the auto roll will be active and any new members that join your server will get auto rolled. It's as easy as that.